Your exam is very nearby. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. I can see the many student here. Okay. Yeah, we are also very excited for you guys. Okay. And let's start, guys. Let's start. And first of all, thanks to Sheikh sir for giving me this platform, okay, against you for discussing again the important matters for the principle and practice of accounting. Yes, guys, let's start. Now, without wasting much time, let's start. Guys, if possible, keep your video on. If possible, can you keep your video on if possible? Yes. Okay. And how is preparation going on, first of all? Yeah, you can use chat box. How is your preparation going on? Is it nice? Good? Sure. Yeah. How many days are remaining now? Can you count? How many days? How many days are remaining? I think first exam is on June 24. It is June 24, na guys? Yes. Okay, so how many days are there? How many days are there? Today is already 29. Yeah, so if we count the 23, June 23 days and May 22, so it is 25 days remaining. Yes. So I hope that all of you have prepared well in all the 4 subjects. Okay. And account is the subject which will really help you to make your aggregate. All of you are agree with me that account is the subject which really help you to get through. Yes or no? All of you are agree with me? Yes or no? Sure. Yes. So let's start the journey today. And first of all, we really pray to God for all of your success, for a grand success in this June 2022 in a foundation. And we pray for your best journey in the inter also. Okay, guys? Yes. And let's start now. See, guys, you know that you have 4 subjects. Is it easily visible? Is it visible? Yes or no? Okay, okay. Just a minute. Now, guys, you have 4 subjects. This is a paper 1. This is principle and practice of accounting. That is your accounting. Yeah. What do you have paper 2? Is it law? Your paper 3. What is the paper 3, guys? Is it economics? Yes. Mathematics? Let's say it is mathematics. And your paper 4 is your economics and BCK. Yes. There's 100, the 100, 100 and 100. Which 2 subjects are subjective and which 2 subjects are objective? These 2 subjects, guys, these 2 subjects are subjective or objective? Is it objective? Yes. And these 2 subjects are subjective. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Yes. Now, how much you required per subject? Subject wise, how much you required? 40? Yes. How much hit? What is the total? 160. But at 160, you pass the exam? No. How much you want? Minimum marks you want is a 200, guys, that you know very well. See, you know very well that 200 is your minimum target. Guys, whatever, whoever is a student in a 10th standard, they got a 90%. In a 10th standard, in the 12th standard, they got a 92% or 85%. But at the CA foundation exam, all are at par. Yes or no? Okay. If your 10th percentage you count here, your 12% you count here, you can't count here. Because this is a different scenario, there's a different stage. Okay, so we cannot count here that if I got in SSC or class 10, I got 92%. So there is a surety that I pass the foundation exam. Is there any surety? No, there is no surety. There is no guarantee. Okay, so first of all, in a class 10th or 12th result may be awaiting. Okay, so if you got a good person there, so there is no guarantee that foundation you pass very easily. You have to work hard, which you already done. Working hard is the only key to success here. Yes. Okay. Now, first of all, the dream of every student in a foundation exam to pass is minimum marks, that is 200. First dream. Even if the student is dreaming for an all India rank, guys, listen carefully. Even if the student is dreaming for all India rank, okay, but what is the first dream? What is the first dream? The first dream is 200. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Okay, the first dream is 200. Okay, number two, some students are then seeking that I want more than 250 marks and around 280 marks. And there are some students who want 300 marks. And finally, the real champion, they say, I want all India rank. I want all India rank. Yes or no? How many of you really desire to get a good marks? You don't want only to pass. All of you, I know that you want a good marks. Yes or no? And out of you, some student also seek for all India rank. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. So success, first point is that first of all, you must know how to crack that 200 mark first. How to crack that 200 mark first. Today, the first step is that first of all, you must know the technique that how to score that 200 first. If you have a confidence that I can easily score now 200, then you should make a plan for a 250 and a 280. And then you should go for a 300 and more. And then the last one is all India rank. And guys, how this is possible? So number one, I already told you what is your first dream, 200. And what is the next dream? Planned event. Okay, and plan for a 250, then a 280, then it is 300, and then all India rank. Okay. Number three, how you get that 200, 280, 250, 300 all India rank? First of all, you believe in yourself. First of all, you believe in yourself. First of all, you trust yourself. Understand, guys? See, if you work hard, but if you do not trust yourself, you do not believe in yourself, your dream is not strong. I'll say that you will not achieve your target 100%, because the reason is very simple. Reason is very simple, that you are not believing in yourself. The success mantra says that first of all, you should believe. All of you are confident on you that you pass this exam in this June 2022. Yes or no? First of all, start believing, guys. First of all, start believing in yourself that you pass this exam. Behave like a champion before you become champion. Behave like a student who passed the foundation, before you pass the foundation exam, this is the best mantra for passing. Most of the students are making hard work, lots of attempt they are giving, okay, and they give lots of hours daily. But at the end of the day, what happened? They are not believing in themselves. I've seen in my whole career in last 20 years that students are not believing. At the end, what they say, oh sir, how can I pass? I don't believe, I don't trust, the paper will be very difficult, and there are so many doubts. Don't doubt, guys. The first of all, you should believe in yourself, you should believe in your family, you should believe in God, you should believe in each and everything which come across to you. Your teachers, all the 4 subject teacher who have taught you, I am here only for a one day, guys. All the teachers, those teachers, respect that all the teachers who have given you on hours and hours, and your, so many doubts they have cleared, and they believe in you. Are you believing in yourself? Yes or no, guys? Tell me yes or no, please. Our whole syllabus, CA syllabus, is totally is based on your beliefness. First of all, if you believe, you can. Okay, and next, number 2, whenever you pray, guys, you pray for the whole of your friends also, that thank you God, and you remain in a present tense, that thank you God, I passed CA foundation exam June 2022. It is your blessings, it is my parents' blessings, it is my friends, it is my teachers, they all believe in me, and that is why now I believe in myself, and that is why I passed the exam. Before passing exam, you believe that you pass, and guarantee at the time of result, I'll assure you that all of you will pass. But one thing required, that is trust. Trust on the institute book also, institute module also, institute past paper also. If any mistake is there in an institute module, don't check that mistake. Oh, there are some mistake. It's okay, yaar. You correct those mistakes. But still, institute is a great institute. The module is best, your subject is best, your teachers are best, okay, your classes is best, everything is good. If there is a mistake, then I will see the mistake in me and I will correct myself, and that is why I passed the exam. Yes or no, guys? Are you sure? Okay, yeah. Next one. The belief in yourself is very much required. Next, now what you should do in these remaining days, what you should do, where you are committing mistake. Today's webinar is arranged for you exclusively for the area where you are committing mistakes. Okay, and there are some strengthened area where if you focus well, then easily in accounts you can get 80 plus. How many of you want in accounts 80 plus? How many of you want in account 80 plus? Yes, so many students. Okay, write on one paper, guys, listen carefully. Listen carefully. Today is the best day of your life, and today is the best day of my life also. Okay, I'm sitting in front of so many students. It is already 138. Okay, so guys, listen carefully. Take one paper and write on the paper that thank you God, in account CA foundation June 2022 I got 85 marks. I got 87 marks. Catch one mark, catch one specific mark, whatever you want above 80. And believe me, guys, you can. Okay. Now, how? That many things you know, but we will be doing what? We'll repeat those things. Okay. And what will happen at the end of the day, that you really come across that already the teachers, those who have taught you, okay, they have already given you so many tips to score 80 and above 80. Yes. Okay. How many of you are really believing that if you got in account 80 plus, then your aggregate problem will be solved? Yes or no, guys? If you get in accounts 80 plus, 80 or above 80, then your aggregate problem, 200 mark problem, easily solved. Yes or no? Yes or no? Are you sure? Yes. And those students who want 250, 280, 300 or all India rank, they should focus accounts more. But guys, do not forget that other subjects are also there. Don't do accounts whole day. Other subjects are also there. You have to focus other subject also. Yes or no? Law, economics, mathematics, you have to work there also. If you are practicing whole day account, then you are committing a big mistake. Okay, because so many students say, sir, accounts, I love accounts. And they see, we love accounts, a different story. But finally, at the end of the day, we must pass in all subjects. Institute will pass you only if you pass in all the subjects. Not only in accounts, if you had 99 marks and in other subjects, some student, let's say, fail. So what is the meaning in there? Okay, chaliye. Next, now 80 plus. Now, guys, first of all, if you have practiced a past paper, if you have already practiced a past paper, then you come to know then what topics are very important, which are recurring in the exam, and institute continuously ask that topic repeatedly. If you have practiced a past paper, then easily you come to know that what are the topics which institute is continuously asking. Yes or no? I hope all of you have observed that. Yes or no? Have you observed which topics are they repeat which topics? Have you observed? Sure. Yeah. Okay. So now I'm writing here what are the topics which institute continuously asking since last so many years. Your CA foundation was earlier known as a CPT, Common Proficiency Test. Yes. Okay. Now, what are the most important topics? What are the most important topics, guys? Most important topics for exam. Most important, guys. Most important. Chalo, number one, the most important topic is your bank reconciliation statement. That is what you call it as BRS. Yes. Have you seen the past paper? That BRS is in every paper. Yes or no? BRS is in every paper. Yes or no? Yes, guys? Yes or no? BRS in every paper. Yes. Number two, it is rectification of errors. It is rectification of errors. Such kind of topic are the base topic which the student studied in a class 11th also. Okay, if you have not studied there, you must study properly in a CA foundation. Bank reconciliation statement is available in all the paper. All of you are agree with me that it is available in all the paper? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, Premdeep, it is available in all the paper. Yes or no, guys? Sure. Okay. Number two is a rectification of error. Number two is a rectification of error. Can you predict what next? Can you predict what next? Number three, guys, if you want to note down, then please note down. Number three is the final accounts. Is it very common? Yes, final accounts are very common. Whether it is a trader or whether it is a manufacturer. Whether it is a trader or manufacturer. Now, what is the more important? Trader is more important. In the last attempt, they have asked manufacturing final account. In the last attempt, they have asked manufacturing final account. but trading final account is the most important. It's very important, extremely important topic. Okay, have you done it properly already? Have you done it properly already? Yes or no? Tell me yes or no. Yes or no? Sure. Okay. Okay. Yes. Thanks. Thanks. Okay. Number 4 is NPO. Number 4 is final account of non-profit making organization. Yeah, we come on that point, Ankita. We come on that point. Yeah. Number 4 is the NPO, final account of non-profit making organization. Yes. Number 1, guys, please note down. If you already knows, but still if you note down today, it will be a better for you. Bank reconciliation statement, rectification of errors, final account of trader and a manufacturer. Okay, then NPO. Number 5, guys, what is most important? You know, issue of shares. Yes or no? Have you seen the issues there in all papers? Issue of shares. Yes or no? It is there in all the papers. It is there in all the paper. Issue of shares. Very important topic. Guys, yes or no? At least reply me. At least reply me. Yes or no? Have you seen the issue of share in many papers? Many, in fact, all the papers. It is available. It is available. Okay. Yeah. Number 6, guys, what is number 6? You know, what is number 6, which is very common in all the paper or majority of the paper? You will find also consignment account. Yes, you will also find consignment account. Bank reconciliation statement, rectification of error, final account of trader or manufacturer, mainly trader, NPO, issue of shares, it is consignment account. Yes. Okay. Now, consignment account and next, guys. Now, what is the next topic which is very important? What is the next topic which is very important? Guys, they also ask admission, retirement, and death, and our death of partner. Out of this, admission is very important. Out of this, admission is very important. Yes, last time we did not get consignment question, but guys, it is majoritarily they ask, majoritarily. Okay, majoritarily. So consignment you can't ignore. It's a very important topic, extremely important topic. Yes, in case of admission, retirement, and death of partner, admission of partner is extremely important. When you practice admission of partner well, then automatically you will get a benefit in the retirement death also. Yes or no, guys? All of you agree with me? If you practice admission of partner well, then retirement and death will become easy. The process will become easy. The format will become easy. So many journal entry will become easy. Yes or no, guys? Like your revaluation account or profit and loss adjustment account, partners capital account, your preparation of balance sheet, your asset to increase or decrease, your liability to increase or decrease, matlab revaluation of asset and liability. Guys, it will become easy or not. If you practice admission well, then in case of retirement death, you will get a greater concession. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me, guys. Yes or no? Sure? Okay. Okay. Yeah. So this is also very important topic. Now listen. Bills of exchange. Some student says bills of exchange. Now, guys, bills of exchange, they won't ask in every paper. But out of every 7 paper, you can say it is available in 4 paper. Bills of exchange, out of every 7 paper, you can say they ask more than a half. So they ask out of 7 paper, they ask in 4 paper. So bills of exchange, please do properly. Please do it properly, guys. And the one more topic. Okay. Now average due date, the small topics, average due date, you know, that sale or return, account current, from these 3 topics, they ask 2. From these 3 topics, they ask 2. If you check any paper, please check the paper. Out of these 3 topics, they ask 2. Average due date, sale or return, account current. They ask 2. Yes or no? Yes or no? And they ask in a 5 marks. So for us, it is a 5 mark 2 question. So it is about the 10 marks is there. For us, even a single mark is important. So if they are 10 marks here, then you say how much it is important for us. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Yes. Okay. Yeah, scroll down. Yeah. Now some students say, sir, what about the depreciation and inventory? Bills of exchange, I have told you that bills of exchange out of the 7 paper, they ask in a 4 paper. So same about the depreciation also and inventory also. Inventory, that is stock valuation. Inventory, that is a stock valuation. Yes, guys. So these are the topic. These are the topic. And the first 6 topics are crucial, extremely crucial. First 6 topics. These 6 topics are, guys, extremely crucial. Okay, please work hard in these 6 topics. Please work hard. If you work hard in this 6 topic, your passing of account more than a 50, more than a 60 mark is confirmed. So please do this topic repeatedly. Solve as many questions as possible. Okay, as many questions as possible. I hope all of you have solved. Yeah, Fedan. Sir, weightage of each chapter. Fedan, the weightage, the what I am at present delivering to you, that what topics are very important, which they ask very repeatedly, it itself says that what is the weightage of the chapter. Then what are the weightage of the chapter itself? It says what are the weightage. For example, you have seen that bank reconciliation statement, they ask in a 10 marks. Rectification of error, they repeatedly ask in a 10 marks. Final accounts, they ask in a 12 or 15 marks, around 15 marks. NPO, they can ask in a 12, 15 or may 20 also. Okay, they can ask in a 20 mark also. But nowadays they ask more in a 15 mark. Issue of share, they ask in a 10 or 15 marks. Okay, consignment, many a time 8 or 10 marks, but we can count is 10 marks. I hope those students who are asking me about the weightage, yeah, we come on that point also, Ashwini. Yeah, those students who are asking me about the weightage, they understood what are the marks. Because if you guys, dear student, if you look into the past paper, then you come to know that how many marks are for this chapter is. They ask, let's say, bank reconciliation statement for how many marks? Repeatedly for 10 marks. I repeat again, BRS for 10 marks, rectification average 10 marks, final account average 12 or 15 marks, 15 marks for more. NPO also 15 marks. Sometimes they ask for a 20 also. But when the question is about the 20 marks, it will be a very tougher question. Okay, but nowadays institute ask in a 15 marks more. Issue of share, there are 2 possibilities. They can ask in a 10 marks also and 15 marks also. Consignment account, consignment, they can ask in a 8 marks and 10 marks, but possibility of 10 marks more. Admission, retirement, they can ask in a 10 marks or 15 marks. Bills of exchange, mostly 10 marks. Depreciation, stock valuation. Stock valuation, sometime they ask in a 5 marks also, a very small question. If they ask the stock reconciliation statement, then sometimes they ask for a 5 marks or 7 marks also. Average due date, sale or return, and account current, they ask in a 5 marks, 5 or 6 marks. But averagely we can take 5 marks. I hope up to this all of you are clear. Yes or no? Guys, I know that already you have done all these things well. But hammering like this in a lecture, it is very important for us to repeat it again. Because human mind is what? That I have whatever done I have today, after 1 or 2 days, I forget. Oh, what was that? I don't know. These are the important topic. Oh, I forget this. That is why continuously remembering that what are the topics which are very important. It is extremely crucial that our mind store that what are the important topics which are repeatedly asked, in how many marks they ask. So what happened that we work accordingly, we work hard accordingly so that we can get above 80. Yes or no? Up to the point, all of you are clear. Up to the point, all of you are clear. Chalo, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead, guys. Yes. Sure. Okay. Now, sir, what about the other topics? Sir, what about the other topics? What other topics are not important? Other topics are also there. So, sir, that topic we should do or not? Guys, first of all, you should not leave any topic. You must do all topic. First of all, your condition of success is that you should solve all the topics. Please do not leave any topics. Because while you're leaving any topic against it, please think that to do that topic, to practice that topic, how much time you required. Okay. So please, guys, don't leave any topic. Okay. Don't leave any topic. It's a simple advice. Don't leave. Okay. At the end, some topics which are not written here, lesser important, they may ask the question on that also. They are the purchase book also, which are done in a basic accounting. They can ask cash book also. See what they are, there is no confirmation. What we are predicting here, and we put our assumption on the basis of our experience. Okay. Now, what is next? What is the next step required? What is the ingredient of next step required to pass the exam? Guys, I don't know up to the date you're prepared or not. I'm sure that all of you are working very hard, but make sure that you prepare your track record report. You prepare your track record report. Guys, this is a track record report. Track record report. Your true education report. This every student should prepare such report. If you prepare, then you come to know what are your mistakes which you are committing. What are your mistakes which you are committing in every paper? Okay. Now track record report. What you should do, guys? Now listen carefully. Listen very carefully. Please prepare on a one page. Write on one page. First of all, you write your name on a one page. Don't do now. Don't do now. Just write how to do. First of all, take one page, blank page or lining page, whatever page, but you write your name there, write your full name. Okay. And you then write the subject name. Okay. You write the subject name. What is the subject? Let's say now we are in a paper 1, principle and practice of accounting. Then you write the subject name. Yeah. Now, how to prepare this? Guys, you prepare the column like this, topic name, topic name. Is it visible for all of you? Please in chat box reply me. Is it visible easily for you? Yes, Pushpa, Riddhi. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, topic name, you write the topic name. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. Whatever are your topic, please write. Do not use ready-made index. You write with your pen and write personally. Don't write in any electronic form. Please write, okay, in a paper. Okay. Now in a topic name. Let's say I've written a BRS, then I've written a rectification of error. Then let's say I've written a final account of trader or manufacturer. Then I did an NPO. Okay. Yeah. Then I've written say consignment. Then I done a issue of share. This is just an example of the 6th topic. Now you prepare one column here, and that column name is theory. That column name is theory. Okay. And there are some small column also. Yeah. Now, what about the theory? See, sometime when we ask to the student that, dear student, how many chapters you have completed? Your classes, your coaching institute has completed so many topics. Have you completed that? Yeah. Then the student reply, oh sir, I've written a theory. I've done a 1 or 2 question or odd. Okay. Guys, you say that you completed one topic only when you completed in a better manner. Understand? Understood? When you say that I have completed BRS. So when you say you completed BRS, when you read the theory of BRS 3 times, you must read the theory of any topic to understand most important points which are very crucial for exam. That is why you should read the theory 3 times. I don't know when you read, but you must read the theory 3 times for any topic. If some topic do not carry any theory or a very small theory, okay, it doesn't matter that the theory is of a 10 page or theory is of a 1 page. Now, if you say about the consignment, so first of all, you should know who is the consignor, consignee, types of commission, what is the account sale, what is the pro forma invoice, what are the types of commission, you should know. And that is why you must read the theory. Guys, how many times you should read the theory properly? How many times you should read the theory properly? 3 times, guys, 3 times. Guys, reply me. How many times? 3 times. You must read the theory 3 times. I hope you understand. Please read the theory 3 times. Human mind do not accept in a 1 time. You must read 2 times. No, you must read 3 times. Now, there's a level 1. Already we have a very last days. Okay. But still you can make this report. 1, 2, and 3. This column is not there. Okay. Now, guys, tell me that in every topic, still you have a time. In every topic, how many questions you should practice? Okay, up to this time, if you have practiced 10 questions, 20 questions, 30, 40, whatever, I don't know. But from today, from 29th May 2022 till 24th June, the day of your exam, in every topic, you should solve 10 questions each. How many questions, guys? Each topic, you must solve 10 questions. You must solve 10 questions. Yes, Sumant, how many questions? 10. You must solve. I don't know when. At night, at afternoon, at morning, at evening. The time decided. You decide your time. But you must solve 10 questions. Now, how will you solve the 10 questions? For example, I have a 6 topic. Then how can I solve? In case of BRS, now your first slot, I've written this first, number 1. So in case of first lot, you solve 4 questions, okay, and then you solve in a next lot 3. Next round, I can say round. In a first round, there's a round. I can say round. First round, you solve 4. In a second round, you solve 3, and in a third round, you solve 3. And 4 plus 3 plus 3, it comes to 10. If we have taken such session in 1 month ago, then probably I would have said that solve 15 to 18 questions. But I know now lesser time is there, okay, and you already solved so many questions. But still, guys, if you really want good marks, guys, really, if you want something that in a first attempt you crack the exam very easily, and not only foundation, if you crack this foundation exam very easily, the confidence which you get from a passing will really help you in an inter to pass it in a first attempt. Guarantee you, guarantee. Please, that is why pass the foundation in the first attempt itself. Don't go for next attempt. Don't go for November attempt. Please finish it off in June itself. Finish it off. And guys, all of you are lucky that your exam was earlier decided in the month of May. But you are now giving exam in the month of June. Already God is very happy for you. Okay, and the blessings are there that you got 1 month more to read. Yes or no? How many are really happy that you extended 1 month? Is really for you only to pass the exam very easily. Yes or no? How many of you are happy that they got 1 month more for preparation of their exam? How many of you are really happy that your exam is 1 month late? So God has given you 1 more month, and God is telling you, come on, complete your dream. Guys, I'm giving you 1 month more. Guys, if someone thinking that this 1 month is a wastage, sorry, this 1 month is a very crucial. This 1 month can change your life. This 1 month can, decide the real champion. This 1 month will decide that you get an all India rank or not. This 1 month is extremely crucial. Come on. Come on. Arise, awake, and stop not till your goal is achieved. That Swami Vivekananda said, that arise, awake, and stop not till your goal is achieved. This is a miracle that you got a 1 month extra. Whatever is your pending, whatever is your outstanding topic, whatever is your non-revision topic, guys, go and get it. You have a morning, you have an evening, you have a night. And if I get, if I calculate, I say it is not 25 days remaining. I say it is a 50 days remaining, because I'm not counting a day. I'm counting a day plus night. The person who want to complete the dream, God has given you 50 days, guys. It is not 25 days. It is a 50 days. Are you happy? That is the 50 days you are more. Now from day to day, from till date, till the 24th June, you have that 50 days. Go and get and complete your dream. Who said that in every topic, 10 question you can't do now? Yes, you can do that 10 question, guys. Who said no? You can solve that question. You are the champion people. The potential which you have, even you don't know what the potential you have inside you. I know that potential all of you have, and you should come out with a flying colors to pass this exam in this June 2022 itself. Yes or no, guys? All of you are agree with me? Say yes if you are agree with me. What you should do? You should solve 10 questions per topic. There is no concession. There is no free lunch. You have to solve. Sir, I have already solved 30 questions. So please solve 10 more questions. All India rank is waiting for you. All India rank is for what kind of student? For the student like you who are working really hard. I hope you understand. So please solve. I have seen in my career in the last 20 years that those students who are practicing and practicing and practicing, they do not have any complaint. They do not have any complaint. They are continuously doing their work honestly. They are doing for their family. They are doing for their self-growth. So what you must do? You have to do for yourself. 10 questions. No more questions. 10 questions. And there is no concession. Sir, if I solve 8 questions, no, not allowed. You want to pass with a good marks, want to pass with a all India rank, want to pass with a great mark like 300 or 280, please understand that practice is the only key to success. Sachin, Ramesh Tendulkar or Virat Kohli is not a Virat Kohli and Sachin Tendulkar without practice. Mr. MS Dhoni is not MS Dhoni without practice. They have a practice world. Understand, guys? Kapil Dev is not a Kapil Dev without practice. Kapil Dev become Kapil Dev and is a famous when you have practiced world. Mr. Amitabh Bachchan is a Bachchan and is a famous because of his hard work and dedication. Rajinikanth is not a famous for other things. He's a famous for his acting and he's a famous for his dedication, for his hard work. So unless you work hard, you will not get success. And for the exam like CA, you must do work hard here. Yes. Now rectification of error, read theory 3 times. Please, guys, make this track record today itself so that you come to know that in which topic you have not read the theory, in which topic you have not solved enough question. If you prepare the track record and show to your teacher, send it to your teacher and told them that, sir, please guide me. And now very few days are remaining. I have practiced lesser and I want to pass. Sir, can I? Then that teacher will really help you and you will pass the exam. Guys, the ending is very important. Understand, the ending time is very important. Okay. So chaliye, now next. Okay, now what? Guys, theory you read 3 times and you solve how many questions? 10 questions each topic. I hope track record report is clear to all of you. Please prepare today only. Today or tomorrow, please make it. Okay. And thereafter you come to know that theory of reading is pending in how many topics. Okay. 10 question or whatever is pending in how many topics. Yes or no? Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear? At least please reply me. Is it clear? Sure. Okay. Now let's go ahead. Now what to do next? What to do next? Track record completed. Now, guys, one more report you have to prepare, that is LDR, last day revision, last day report. Last day revision, last day report. Yeah. Now, whenever you solve the question, whenever you read the theory, let's say you have a theory of 5 pages, but on the last day, it is not possible to read the 5 pages in every topic. It is not possible. So please, guys, take a different color pen and please highlight, take highlighter and please highlight the important theory. What are the important area, extremely important area? Let's say if you are reading the theory from the module, then in a module, in some topics, let's say they have given a theory of 10 pages. But do you really think that out of these 10 pages, all 10 pages are very important? No, all 10 pages are not important. Out of them 10 pages, only and only 6 to 8 pages or 5 pages are important. or 4 pages are important sometime. Please mark the area. Please mark with a highlighter or mark with a different color pen or whatever. But please highlight that what are the area important in the topic which you read at last moment. Which you read at last moment, and that is your LDR. Last day revision. Many students fail the exam because they don't know what to do at the last time. So please do it fast in every topic, in every subject. You can apply this rule even in the law, even in the maths, even in the economics. Last day revision. Please mark very well. There are some formulas which are very important. Please mark it, that formula. There are some formula which is very important in accounts. Okay, the important journal entries. Let's say very simple journal entry. Now there are some entries which are difficult entry. Those entries which are very simple, those. Hello guys. Hello guys. Why was it audible? Hello. Audible? Okay, you can see the screen easily. Is the screen in front of you? Okay. Whatever hello guys. Is it visible? I have put a line there. Is it visible? Hello, Mohammed. Hello, Priya. Is it visible? Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Yeah. Guys, there are some journal entries which are very simple. Please don't read that very simple entry on a last day. No need to repeat such very simple theory. Understand? But read the some difficult theory on the difficult journal entry on the last day. I'll repeat, there are some journal entries of the some topic which is very simple, which are very simple. Please do not read again and again. You already knows what to debit and what to credit. Now you read those journal entry which are crucial, which are sometimes say it is very difficult. And there are some entry we can't, just sometimes that what to debit and what to credit. Okay, so please read the very crucial journal entry or the journal entry which are difficult at last moment. Please read it. And you highlight those entry with your marker pen or ball pen, whatever. But please, LDR means what on the last day moment, on the last day, what you should do. Many students fail the exam in a foundation and inter only because they don't know what to do on a last day. Okay, what to do on a last day. In the last 10 minutes or 5 minutes, I'll show you the way what to do on a last moment. What to do on a last moment. Guys, it is clear that you mark. Okay. And one more thing, like the final account, like the NPO, like the consignment, please mark the important adjustment also. Journal entry, and please mark the important adjustment also. Let's say in case of consignment, how to calculate consignee commission. So please, in some question, let's say the calculation of commission is very difficult. In final account, some adjustments are very tough. So please, 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 again and again, I'm repeating that please, if you mark that adjustment and you read that adjustment on a last day, that what are the effect? Let's say I say on final account, there are one adjustment that goods sold to debtor on a sale or return basis, and the goods are still not approved by the customer. Here, this is the last day revision adjustment, because this adjustment is not very simple. Here, there are 4 adjustments: less from sale, less from debtor, and closing stock you add in a both side, trading credit and balance sheet asset also. And less from sale and less from debtor, you take selling price, and add to closing stock, you take cost price. Yes or no, guys? So guys, please take care. Please take care that important adjustment you highlight. You can do all these things in the next 10 days, because when the June will come and when the 10th June will come, the real frustration will start. Okay. So rather than working in a frustration zone, please work in a very, very, very confident zone. Because once you frustrate, see, most of the students, those who fail the exam, why they fail the exam, are they are very duffer student? No. Are they are the student who don't know everything? No. The problem with the student is that something which is very important, they study only at a last time. And at a last time, due to the burden of the other subject also, they get frustrated. And when they get frustrated, and after a frustration zone, when they read, but they do not remember, okay, and they fail the exam. Okay, this is a common thing which happens in a foundation, in an inter, in a final. So guys, whenever you read any topic, please, it is my humble request that please read in a good mood. Okay, in a good mood you are reading. If you do not, then you will be in a frustration zone. Oh, there are 4 subjects, there are so many topics, this chapter is pending and that chapter is pending. Okay, such kind of situation, please avoid. Are you sure, guys? Yes. And my humble request to all of you, whenever you read, sometime, many students will feel what I, deliver next now, that many students will feel that when you are in accounts, let's say you are practicing accounts, okay, but human mind is a different scenario. So what happened that when you are in accounts, you remember economics. When you read economics, sometimes you haven't thoughts of the law more. When you are reading law, then you probably sometime thinking for mathematics. Guys, such kind of situation, are you passing through or not? Sometime you are in accounts, but you have a thought of law. You are in a law, but you have a thought of economics. You are in economics, but you have a thought of mathematics. Please reply me. It happens or not? It happens. Yes. Yes, it happened. So how to avoid it? How to avoid it? Yes, yes. Thank you very much. How to avoid it? Please, before reading, focus on one subject at a time. When you practice account, forget all the subjects. When you are in account, you think that only account is there. There are no other subjects. You have to read only this subject. This is only the final subject. And this is only one subject. Please focus in the matter. Focus goes and energy flows. If you do not focus when you read, so make sure that you avoid the distractions. And one more thing, you avoid cell phone also, because excess use is very, very harmful to you. Okay, yes. So guys, this is your future. You have to focus here, and so many distractions will come. So many obstacles will come, and so many people will disturb you. Your friends, sometimes your family, your brother and sister, and so many people. Sometimes they don't do that intentionally, but it happens. So please read with a great focus. If you read with a focus, then sometimes 3 hours a day is also enough. But if you do not read with a focus, then if you have taken at 8 to 9 hours, but it is a vain, there is wastage, because you are not focusing there. I hope you understand. Yes or no? I hope you understand LDR also. Last day revision, or LMR, last moment revision. Are you sure? Yes. Is it fine now, Mohammed? Is it fine? Sure? Okay. Now, now what to do next? Guys, I am at present covering the so many small topics. Okay, then what you should do? Last day revision. Okay, now what is the next most important topic? What are the mistake area? What are the mistake area? Guys, if you practice well continuously, if you practice well continuously, topic by topic, and you take next topic only when you complete first topic. You take next topic, let's say you've taken a BRS for practice. Complete BRS first and then only you go for rectification. Many a times I have seen that students are, taking so many topics at a time and they are not master in that. Let's say BRS, I'll, ask the student, okay guys, beta BRS completed? Then what they reply? Yes, sir, I have completed. There are some doubts. I will clear later. Okay, so what at present you are doing? Sir, I have doubts some in a rectification also, and they have, not solved that doubt. And without solving that doubt and without finish it of that topic, they move on to the next topic. So what happened that your every topic is not a perfect topic. Please guys understand that whatever topic you complete, let's say you have completed BRS or final account or NPO, finish it off very fast. Finish it off. Don't put anything outstanding, anything pending. Whatever are the important areas, please cover it fast. And once you complete from all corner, then only you say that I have completed BRS, I have completed rectification, I have completed NPO and all. Understand? Otherwise, when you say I have completed BRS, and if I am asking you one or two questions, but you are not in a position to answer it, understand? So it is my humble request that go for a next topic only when you complete one topic first. Okay. Now, guys, when you solve this 10-10 question, I told you to solve the 10-10 question per topic. Then how to do it? Guys, listen, how to do it. When you repeat at home, when you practice at home, please make it FTR. Now, what is, sir, FTR? Make it FTR. Guys, what is FTR? Fast track revision. What is FTR? It is a fast track revision. If you solve, let's say, if you solve, say, rectification of error, and you draw a journal, so don't waste time to draw a journal in a proper manner. When you practice at home, please save the time because you have a lesser time. So what you do, guys, without drawing, please write the journal entry because you are at home, you are just practicing. If you draw and you solve 10 questions, it will take much time. And for the other topic, there will not be the time pending and remaining. So guys, please, when you practice at home, apply FTR. Sir, what is FTR? Again, I'll say fast track revision. Fast track revision. Understand? Yes. Okay. Now, next, what are the mistake area? Guys, what are the mistake area? First 6 topic 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have written here how many? We have written in a 9. Now, first 6 topic, there is no room for mistake. Please don't make any mistake here. That is why you should practice more. Now, in case of BRS, what common mistake people make? Please, if you want to write, then you can write. In case of BRS, what are the common mistake? Let's say, in case of BRS, what are the common mistake? The common mistake are, in case of BRS, what to add and what to less. So many students make small working note. BRS can be solved in a different kind of working note by preparing working note. And if you are solving directly, whatever, your teacher has taught you that in a way, if you are solving directly, then make sure that whatever you add or deduct or less, okay, please read it again and again, that transaction. Okay. If the transaction you have to add and if you have made less or deducted, then your answer will be wrong. So please, guys, it is my humble request to read the question carefully. Otherwise, the item which you have to add, you will make a less unless you look at add. Okay, so it's a common mistake. And in case of adjusted cash book, please take care. In case of adjusted cash book, please take care. Adjusted cash book takes all kind of transaction except 3: timing problem, and that is a check issued but not presented for payment, check deposited but not cleared, and error in the passbook. Except these three will go in BRS, and rest of the transaction you can make in adjusted cash book. So please read the question properly, that it is a pure BRS or it is a adjusted cash book question. If it is a adjusted cash book question, then first you have to prepare adjusted cash book and then you have to go for BRS. Yes or no? Yes or no? And then you have to go for BRS. Hi Anna, yes or no, guys? Yeah, step marking given in the exam. Yes, yes, yes. See, whatever steps are correct, guys, in case of BRS or rectification or in other topics, whatever are your steps are correct, you will get a marks. So don't worry, guys. Sometimes some questions are very difficult. Let's say some questions are very difficult. But whatever, guys, whatever you write, out of that, let's say 50% is correct. So you will get the marks for that 50%. Yes, you will get the mark for that. Don't worry. So in case of BRS, please take care. It is a pure BRS or it is an adjusted cash book. Please take care. Now, in case of rectification of error, please read the question well. That the question include, guys, that the question include stage 1, stage 2, or stage 3. Because if it is a stage 1, then there will not be the suspense account or profit and loss adjustment account. If it is a stage 2, then there will be a suspense account. It will be a stage 3, then suspense account will be there, as well as profit and loss adjustment account will be there. So please read the question well. That question is of stage 1. So what is the stage 1, guys? Rectification of error before preparation of trial balance. Stage 2, rectification of error after trial balance but before final account. And stage 3, rectification of error after final account. Okay, so please read the question well. Sometimes some student asks us a question, sir, we have to prepare suspense account and profit and loss adjustment account. See, I always guide the student that please, even if it is not given in the question, please prepare both. Okay, small account, please prepare both. You prepare suspense account also, and you prepare profit and loss adjustment account also. Please prepare both. Understand? Please prepare both. And make sure that in the question, suspense account opening balance given or not, then write it properly on a debit side or credit side, whatever. Please take care about this. Otherwise, our dream of making the very good marks in a basic topic like BRS and rectification will destroy. So please take care. Please take care. Okay. Now, guys, in case of final account, please prepare presentation well. Trading account on a first page, profit and loss account on the next page, second page, and balance sheet on a third page. If it is of manufacturing final account, that on a first page you prepare manufacturing account and trading account. On the next page you prepare profit and loss account, and on the next page you prepare balance sheet. Please take care more. Okay. Now there are some expenditure which you generally record in trading account. Please, take care that trading account item by mistake you do not record in a profit and loss account, or balance sheet item you do not record in a profit and loss account. So in case of final account, what are the common mistake which the student makes? That sometime they make wrong posting. So please take care while you post final account. Please take care. In case of adjustment, you give how many effect? Two effect. One effect is a debit effect, another effect is a credit effect. Both debit effect, no. So please give the two effect for each and every adjustment. Okay, keep in mind, and that is why you practice more final account. So what will happen? That you do not make such kind of mistake. It's a guaranteed, because you have solved so many questions. Now, you have a habit of correcting it, habit of making it right. Okay. Now, in case of NPO, read the income well. Read the income well. You know the NPO special income, like admission fee or entrance fee, life membership fee, okay, subscription. And please take care more while you prepare subscription account. If they ask you to prepare, and that is why you read the question well, what they have asked. And many a time in case of NPO, there are the reverse question also. Yes or no, guys? There are reverse question also. All of you know the reverse question. All of you know the reverse question. The question where in a normal question, what will happen? They give the receipt and payment account, okay, and adjustment. And what you prepare, income and expenditure account and balance sheet. But in case of reverse question, income and expenditure account will be already given and adjustment will be given. And you will prepare receipt and payment account. Yes or no, guys? Have you practiced that reverse wala question? All of you have practiced reverse questions. Yes or no? Please reply, guys. One or two people says no. Guys, please solve that reverse question. It is already given. Yes, Logesh and Ankita, it is better already given. It is already given in the module. So please solve that. Please solve that. And you can see in a past paper, they have asked reverse question also. So it is your duty to solve that reverse question. Okay. Now, in case of subscription, while you prepare the reverse question, all the add will become less, all the less will become add. It is very easy, but you must solve first. Okay. If you're not solved till today, then solve 4 to 5 questions, not only 1 or 2 questions. Okay. So in case of NPO, please take care more in case of your income. And I have told you about the income. Okay. Number 1, it is your admission fee or entrance fee, life membership fee, your subscription, donation. Donation are of 2 types. If it is not given, then your donation is a normal donation. You have to record in income and expenditure account. Understand? In case of entrance fee, nothing is given. Then you take it as a capital receipt because it is already written in the module that what you have to take. Understand? Okay, donation, then it is a legacy, then endowment fund. That is why please read income of NPO well and their treatment. NPO income and their treatment. You have to read again and again. And that is why I have written there. You have to read the theory 3 times. I hope you understand NPO. Okay. Your income and expenditure account is exactly similar to profit and loss account, and your receipt and payment account is exactly similar to cash and bank account. Understand? And in module it is given the difference between two also. Please read that difference very well. Please read that difference again and again, so that in a big exam like this, you don't make any mistake. Chalo, I hope all of you understood this. Yes or no? Please tell me. Please use chat box. Please use chat box. Okay, so this is about the final account and NPO. Now, what are the topics which are very important? Sir, it is a consignment and issue of share. Okay, now in case of issue of share, guys, issue of share, what are the common mistake when the which students are making? Please solve the question of pro rata allotment question. Please solve such kind of question more. In case of pro rata, you know the pro rata. Okay, allotment of share in a ratio and proportion. When there is a subscription, is called the over subscription. When there is a over subscription, okay, then there is a pro rata allotment. Please solve pro rata questions more. Please solve pro rata question more. Solve as many questions as you can, so that you come to know that what are the area of mistake. So people are committing mistake in a pro rata question. You know, calculations, they made mistake. Number of share issued, number of share allotted, number of share applied, they made mistake. It's a mistake area in case of issue of share. Okay. And they commit the mistake when some calls in arrears are there. When some calls in arrears are there. Okay. They also commit a mistake in case of forfeiture. In case of forfeiture, when the shares are forfeited, then please check that it is forfeited in between or at last. If nothing is given, then you have to assume that it is forfeited at last. It is forfeited at last. Understood, guys? So this calls in arrear, this forfeiture is very important. Okay. So in case of forfeiture, make calculation properly. And then reissue of share. And then reissue of share. And finally, amount transfer to capital reserve. If all shares are reissued, there is no problem. All shares are reissued. But when the partly shares are reissued, some shares are, so part of the forfeiture shares are not reissued. Then amount transfer to capital reserve. For that, you have to make working note. For that, you have to make working note. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? At least reply, guys. So please take care. In case of issue of share, what are the area of your mistake? I hope you understood here. Now, in case of consignment, if you want to become a master of consignment topic, condition number 1, please solve all the questions from the module. Please solve all the questions from the module. Please solve all the past paper also. Please solve all the past paper also. These two combination will give you an immense confidence to solve the question in June 2022. In June 2022, there is a higher and higher possibility of consignment. Okay, there is a higher possibility of consignment. And in case of consignment, students are making mistake where sometimes the question is of cost and sometimes the question is of invoice price. Please take care when the question is of invoice price. When the question is of invoice price, you have to give the loading effect also. Okay, so please take care. Yes, in case of calculation of commission, okay, calculation of commission, one or two question, it is rather difficult. Otherwise, it is, easy. But still, student commit a mistake. It is easy still. And the big one is the calculation of closing stock. Yes or no? And it is the calculation of closing stock. Yes or no, guys? All of you are agree with me that in case of consignment, calculation of closing stock is very important. All of you are agree with me? Yes or no? Guys, reply at least. How many of you have practiced consignment properly? How many of you have practiced consignment properly? Please raise your hand. If you have practiced consignment properly, please raise your hand. Guys, again, it is my humble request to solve as many questions as possible in a consignment. Solve all the module questions, solve all the past papers, but your consignment knowledge should be very strong. Your consignment knowledge, consignment is not very easy to not very difficult also. If you practice and practice, so consignment will really become easy. You can solve the working note of calculation of commission or closing stock or else very fast. Solve all the module question, all the past paper question. Okay, so this is of consignment. Okay, IP question, then please take care. Your closing stock is also valued at IP. And you have to give that loading effect also, even in the case of the closing stock. Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, so please guys take care in case of consignment. Please take care. Chalo. And now if we say, now which topic is there, which you have written there? Yeah, we have covered all that 6 topic. Now in case of admission, please take care that it is of admission, what kind of question. Sometimes that admission question also includes the retirement. Sometimes that admission question includes the preparation of memorandum revaluation account. So please take care more that what kind of admission question they ask, what kind of the items they have put it in a balance sheet. So please guys, now in case of admission, what are the important area? Calculation of sacrificing ratio, calculation of new ratio, calculation of capital adjusted, okay, and there are some past adjustment, and the big one, calculation of ratio on the basis of some mathematical equations given. So please, admission of partner is extremely crucial. Retirement and death, please, it is my humble request. If you want to be a master in the retirement and death, then very simple, that first of all, you solve simple question of retirement and death, at least 5 to 6 question, very simple. If you directly start solving very difficult question in case of consignment, then probably, you don't like it, because retirement and death is not an easy topic to do. Okay, so please don't solve it first. Solve first admission first. Your confidence of admission will be very important in the retirement and death. Yeah. Okay. And calculation of ratio, passing of journal entry is extremely crucial. What they have asked, if they have asked ledger and you prepare journal, 0 mark. If they have asked ledger and you have prepared journal, 0 marks. So please take care more. Bills of exchange is all about the journal entry. Depreciation, it is journal entry and ledger account, and stock valuation, it is some special treatment. So overall bills of exchange, I say it's a very easy topic. Now in case of bills of exchange, some student always ask us that, sir, they will ask accommodation bill or they will ask normal bill. We don't know, we are not setting the papers of institute. Okay. So we don't know about that. An institute never tell you anyone. Okay. So bills of exchange, any kind of question can come in the exam. So please practice bills of exchange more. Please practice bills of exchange at enough question. Okay. Yes. Now in case of depreciation also there are some journal entry. In case of stock valuation, there are the calculation. There are the stock reconciliation also. So in case of bills of exchange, the student are committing mistake in a debit and credit. Understand? Drawee is giving bill to drawer. Okay. Drawer is not giving bill to drawee. Drawee is giving bill to drawer. Because when the drawee has signed there, then is a valid point in giving. Are you sure? Bills of exchange, who and how question paper are prepared. Logesh, it is not, beta, it is not our point. Who prepare the question paper? It is a panel of institute who prepare the question paper, and how they prepare the question paper on the basis of the level. On the basis of the foundation level, they know the minimum level also and they know the highest level also. But they also want to pass some student, and that is why they ask average question in the exam. Yes, Logesh, they ask average question. They don't ask very tough question, because in case of foundation, they required basic knowledge. In case of inter, they required working knowledge. And in case of final, they required very expert knowledge. Okay. Yes, guys. I can say, yeah, Kishore is asking that, sir, 70% question are from module. Guys, module is God for you. Module even is extremely important, not only for the foundation, for inter and final also. I can't say the percentage, but I am sure that if you solve module question and past question also, not only just a module question, beta. If you solve module and a past paper, then minimum mark you could get it a 65 to 70. Minimum mark 65 to 70. Yes. Understood? Sure? Ishori, you understood, beta? Yeah. Logesh, it is a very good point. Okay, please don't, look into this point of paper leakage or whatever. Okay. Now, in case of average due date or sale or return, guys, in case of average due date, calculation is a key. In case of average due date, calculation is a key. It is not accounting topic. It is one kind of mathematics topic. Yes or no? All of you are agree with me? All of you are agree? Average due date is not an accounting topic. Average due date is one kind of mathematics topic. Yes or no? It is one kind of mathematics topic. Okay, and average due date is very simple. For average due date, solve all the module question in past paper. You will be the master. And one question will require only hardly 10 minutes. Yes or no? Average due date will require hardly 5 to 10 minutes. Yes or no, guys? Maximum 10 minutes. In that 10 minutes, you can solve very easily. If you are agree, then please raise your hand. If you are agree, then raise your hand. Yes. Now, in case of account current, format is very important and calculation is important. In case of account current, please take care for calculation of that interest. Number of days, please take properly. Number of days, please take properly. If you have committed mistake there, your calculation will be wrong and your whole answer will be wrong. So please take care that your account, in case of account current, calculation and presentation also look good. Okay. Now, in case of sale or return, the journal entry or one or two ledger is there only. In case of sale or return, I say that module, leave your module, but solve the past question. Whatever the questions are there, 3 question, 4 question, 5 question, please solve that. And you will find you will find in an exam that the same question is repeating. So guys, average due date, account current and sale or return, all are calculations. Average due to the big calculation, account current is also the calculation of that interest, and sale or return, it's a journal entry plus calculation. So please do not ignore such topic. Do not ignore such topic. It's a very easy topic. ADD, sale or return, account current. Are you sure? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay. So we have completed the most important topics, your track record report, your last day revision and how to make revision, fast track revision. Sure. And what are the mistake area which generally student makes? And these are the mistake areas. So please improve that area. Are you sure? Up to this point of time, all of you are clear? Yes or no? Please reply. Please reply, guys. Okay. Okay. Now what to do? Now what to do? Guys, here I'll take only 5 to 7 minutes off and we meet after 5 to 7 minutes. Only 5 to 7 minutes off. Don't go anywhere. We'll disclose some more facts on this. Okay. For which, due to that point which we disclose now, you will be in a position to crack the paper in a good manner and you get a good marks. So guys, stay tuned. Just 5 to 7 minutes, we'll back. Don't go anywhere. Please stay tuned there. Okay, just 5 to 7 minutes off, just 5 to 7 minutes break. Don't go anywhere. Hello guys. Yes, we're back again. Yeah, my voice is audible. Yes. Please reply. Yeah. Okay. Now what to do? We have covered the area. Okay, what are the area of mistake? Which are the topics which are extremely important? What kind of track report you have to prepare? Okay. What you have to do on a last moment revision, last day revision, and last 5 minutes I will share in detail. Okay. And one more thing, see what happens that many a times we forget again and again. I forget. Okay, that journal entry, oh, what to debit, what to credit, I forget. So listen, in some chapter where there are journal entries and where there are formulas, these two are very important. Guys, journal entries, yes, and the formulas. Okay, so please make one small notes. Please make your own notes like the topic called bills of exchange. You know that bills of exchange is a full of journal entry. Guys, bills of exchange is a full of journal entry. Yes. Screen is not visible. Just a minute. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute. Just a minute, guys. Give me 1 minute. Guys, now screen is visible. Now screen is visible. No. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. Right now it is visible, screen is visible now. Visible? Yes or no? Okay, okay. Thank you. Yeah, let's start. Guys, now what is the next step which will, help you to score 80 marks or more? Prepare your own notes of accounting. See, institute says that is the principle and practice of accounting. CA foundation, right? You say it is my accounting own notes, my accounting own notes. See why I'm saying this? Because over the period of time, I have seen that if you prepare a shortcut notes and last day you use them, it is crucial. 2020 match, IPL is going on and today is a final, right? Those who are interested in a cricket. So you've seen in every match, okay, don't see more because your exam is very near, right? Yeah. But one thing that, cricket match, 2020 match or one day, you've seen that so many matches are changed at last time, at last moment. Last 5 overs are very important and it decide the winner. Yes or no? Agree with me? So it means that on the last moment, anything can happen. Yes or no? On the last moment, anything can happen. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Are you all agree? So it means, we should always hope up to the last. That on a last moment, last days, last few days are very crucial. See, if you work very hard and on the last 10 days or 15 days, if you do not work properly, then probably next attempt will be ready for you. Then probably that particular attempt to pass in that particular attempt will be very difficult for you, because that last 15 days, last 20 days for any exam will be very crucial. Make an innovative idea when you read the theory, when you read a particular topic, when you read a formula, then your mind should take a very innovation, big innovations. Okay. And see what are the innovative mind says, that you prepare your own accounting shortcuts. Okay. Now, how you prepare your own shortcut? Like the chapter called Bills of Exchange, right? Now the chapter called Bills of Exchange, it is a chapter of journal entry. Okay, now there are so many journal entry. You write the simple journal entry on a one page with a small letter, so that on a one page itself, all type of journal entry will be adjusted. So on a last day, you have to read that particular page only. On a last day, you have to read that particular page only. You don't have to look into the the areas and all, because you have covered whole topic in one page. You have covered whole topic in one page. Okay. Like honored case, in case of bills of exchange, like honored case, dishonored case, renewal case, accommodation bill. Now, in case of accommodation bill, there are entries are not of a different kind. Same entries are there, but the situation is different. So, in case of accommodation, how to divide the discount, how to find out the missing amount, just write in a 1 or 2 line. So, whole chapter will be set in a one page. So what will happen on a last day? You don't have that burden to read so many pages on a last day. So on a last day, you have to read only one page. Like bills of exchange, you have set in a one page. like your consignment, you're set in a 1 page. So let's say there are 15 topics. If you read that 15 pages, your 15 chapters are completed. And this is your last moment revision. This is your last 10 days or 20 days revision. And on a last moment also, if you read such pages which you have made on your own notes, then I am giving you one kind of a surety that you pass the exam, because this is comes out of your innovative mind. And what kind of no, but guys, one thing, if you read that topic very properly, if you read that very, read that topic from a thorough reading, or you have read from a conceptual clarity also, then only you are in a position to make that notes properly. Yes. Okay. So if you prepare, so you have to prepare, any topic you can prepare. Bills of exchange. Okay. Then you can prepare in a consignment also. Yes. You can prepare in a admission also, that how to find out a ratio and all. What are the formula? One example, you take one example, solve there. So on a last day for admission, you have to read only that theory 1 page. So what will happen? That your burden will be very lesser. I hope you understand, Logesh, Manju. I hope you understand this. Yes or no? Please reply, guys. Sakshi, yes or no? Have you done so far? Guys, have you done so far in any subject? Have you done? Logesh says yes. Have you done, guys? Have you prepared your own notes? Have you prepared your own shortcut notes? How many of you prepare? Please raise your hand. How many of you have prepared shortcuts? Very good. Sakshi said yes. Monica also said yes. Okay. Richa also said yes, and so many other students, yes. Okay, Santosh. Santosh, you're not prepared still yet. You can start from today. And when you prepare, guys, what is the benefit? What is the biggest benefit? That when you prepare some shortcut, at that time also you remember well, and before exam while you read, you also remember well there. And on the day of exam or a day before exam when you read, so near about you have written that theory 2 to 3 times. Already you have written a long cut. And now that shortcut you have written 2 to 3 times. Please, guys, read that shortcut more and more times. So, you know what is the urgency of the day? That you prepare shortcut note very soon. If in a law is a theory subject, if you're not prepared there, please prepare now without wasting much time. You can't say that you have lots of time, you have very less time now. Okay, already your syllabus is completed, your revision completed, everything completed. But these small things are matters. These all the small things are very counted. So guys, it is my humble request that you make notes, your own notes in every subject, and mainly I'm talking of accounts, so that on the last day, please guys, on the last day you have to read that only. Yes, all of you understood that simple points, what to do on the last day. All of you understood? Yes or no? Please reply, guys. Sure? Okay, thank you. Now, your paper pattern. Sir, paper pattern makes a difference. Sir, paper pattern makes a difference. Last point, I'm come on a last point now. Sir, paper pattern makes a difference. Yes, paper pattern is also important. How many of you know the paper pattern? The institute paper pattern is very clear that question number 1 is compulsory of 20 marks. Question number 1 is compulsory of 20 marks. Okay. Now 20 marks include objective also. Now what kind of objective they ask? They ask true, false with reason. If you have seen the past paper or if you have solved past paper, then guys you have seen that they ask true, false with reason. True, false with reason of all the past paper. Please read very, very deeply. Please read properly. Now, how can you write true, false well in the exam? Once you have written the theory, once your concepts are very clear, so easily 12 out of 12 or only 1 mark deducted, so 11 marks is very easy to get, because I have not seen the true, false with reason very difficult. The true, false with reason are very easy. Okay, write reason very properly. Write reason very stepwise. You know, don't write like a history and geography. Okay, in a school section, when you do the history and geography, don't write and lengthy and lengthy. You are writing and writing. No, to the point you write, but you write point wise. Okay, please write point wise. Any true, false with reason. First of all, you say that given statement is true because, and you write point wise. Don't give the number. Just put up a dash and write. Your first impression will be the last impression. So please write that objective answer very well. Please write that objective answer very strongly, so that your confidence also will be very high and you do not fall into the zone of a frustration. I hope you understood. So your first question is very crucial, very, very important. Sir, it is compulsory that you follow the question number. Malab, question number 1 you solve first and then second, then third. No, no, not at all. You can start with any question. You can start with any question. Okay. You can start with question number 1, compulsory. You can start with any question. So if you want that you start with very easy topic like the BRS and rectification, then solve that question number at last or in between. Understood, guys? So please start with a topic in which you have a great hands. If you have your strong hand in BRS or rectification, then please start with BRS and rectification. If you say that your my issue sir is very strong, my final account is very strong, so please guys start with that topic. Okay, so there is a flexibility which is given by the institute that you can start with any question. There is no compulsion. But guys, out of the rest of the 5 questions, you have to attempt 4 and of 20 marks. So that 20 into 480 and compulsory question 20. With this, it conclude that 100 marks. Understand? Okay, for you, each and every single topic is important. Now, some of you are asking that, sir, can we leave any particular topic? No, I don't think so to leave any particular topic. You have to read all the topic. All the topic, please read carefully. And now what to do? Guys, you have how many paper? Guys, you understand this, that you make your own notes. You make your own note. This point you understood? Please say yes or no. This point you understood, or raise your hand. Please prepare your own notes. Raise your hand. You understood? Yes, understood. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, now what to do, guys? Now listen very carefully. Now listen carefully. Guys, you have how many paper? You have how many papers with you? You have past paper of May 2018. You have paper of November 2018. You have paper of May 2019. Then your paper of November 19. Barabar, May 2020 was not an attempt because of a COVID, as all of you know this. Yes or no? May 18, November 18, May 19, November 19. Okay, then it is a December 20, November or December, whatever. Okay, then we have a January 21 paper also. Then we have a July 21 paper also. The exam of May at that time was taken held in a July. Okay, July 21. Then we have a November 2021, which finally held in a December. Okay, if I take an account, then how many paper we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many paper? If I am not mistaken, then there are 8 paper. Yes or no, guys? We have how many past paper? How many past paper we have, guys? 8 paper. Yes or no? Yes? Sure. Chalo, how many of you have solved at least 50% paper, 50% past paper? How many of you have already solved? Raise your hand. Out of this paper, how many of you have already solved at least half? Raise your hand. Hello, guys. Okay. So shall I assume that out of you, all of you are pending with this institute paper? Shall I assume? Shall I assume? Yes, Priya has solved 3 papers. Hello. Still pending. Okay. So please put a date that which paper you solved when. Guys, it is my humble request that please put a date against it. For example, now you start with the December 21, that is November 21. Please start with the latest paper, November 21. Put a due date that when you going to solve. Unless you put a due date there is no success. A dream without date has no importance. You have a dream to pass in a foundation in a June. So you must have that date that when you solve November 2021, when you solve July 2021, okay, please give a date and commit to yourself, okay, by the disciplinary manner, commit to yourself that you have given a date, say November 21 or December 21, you are going to solve on a 2nd June 2022. Once you have committed, then on a 2nd June, at any cost, at any time, you have to solve that. Commitment is a key to success, guys. Your commitment is a key to success. Please put a date and please write this in your notebook that we have this many of paper, and please put a date. I'll wait for you 2 minutes, but it is very important. Please put a date also. Please due date that when you are going to solve, please put a date. If you want to pass, then you must solve. And this not only in account, you have to follow the same strategy in other subject also. I am waiting at present 1 or 2 minutes. Please write in a notebook at present Screenshot also you can take, but write in a book is very essential. And put due date also. Put due date also when you solve that paper. And start not from a May 2018, because May 2018 is the oldest paper. You start with a latest paper. Please write. I'm waiting for you. Are you writing? Are you writing? Are you worried about your future? Are you writing? Sakshi, are you writing? Yes, Santosh, are you writing? Yes, Richa, are you writing? Yes, Harsh, are you writing? Yes. No, Priya, 4 is not enough. Beta, you have to solve all. You have to solve all paper. Ha, but guys, one thing, that May 18, November 18, and May 19 include some chapter which is cancelled by the institute after May 2019 attempt. So May 18, November 18, and May 19 may happen. Then when you solve, you could, come across to a topic which is not available in your syllabus. So please cancel that topic, and rest of the chapter you can solve very easily. Okay. So these three, May 18, November 18, and May 19, you solve at last. Instead of solving mock test, these past paper are very important. Please put a date also. Guys, we all the teachers are worried for you, and that is why I'm telling you that please put a date. If you do not put a due date, then probably what will happen, that at the end of the lecture, you have at present an excitement. Oh, I will solve on a 1st June, I will solve on a 2nd June. But after this lecture, you say, oh, what is the need? Let's go it. Okay, I'll solve in 2 days. I'll solve in 5 days. It's okay. I've already solved module. No need of that paper. There are so many the question like this will be in your mind. But those students who pass the foundation in a first attempt, they always solve this paper very fast. So please solve this paper very fast. Have you put due date also? Guys, please reply me. Have you put due date also? Have you put on due date? Yes, Priya says yes. Okay, another student, it is my humble request. Sakshi also says yes. Manju also says yes. My humble request, if you do this, then you will be very near to pass. You will be very near to pass. Guys, intelligence do not require to pass the CA exam. To pass the CA exam, you require discipline and dedication. Listen me carefully. Intelligence do not required. If some student in a 10th or 12th, they get a less marks. Let's say I have seen so many students who get a lesser marks in their 10th and a 12th, but they are chartered accountant at present because of their commitment, because of the discipline. They all were not very intelligent, but they were very disciplined. Guys, if you put a due date, do that. Even though, let's say some answers you could not got it, you're not tally final account, you could not achieve some theory question. It's okay, no problem. It's okay, not at all issue. But if you made commitment, you solve on that date, God is viewing your commitment, and God will test you at the time of exam, that you are at that level to pass or not. He is ready to give you blessing, but are you committed? Are you disciplined? Are you committed to your dream for you and your family? So please solve this paper. Okay, solve this paper very fast. Next, for you, what is more important? Number one, all the module questions, and number two, past papers, which I have given you right now. I have told you right now, module and past paper. Sir, the some questions of mock test important, but first of all, module and past paper is extremely important. After rest of the things comes later, but these things are very important. Module and past paper. If you have completed module, if you have completed your classes notes, then please lunge with the past paper. So two things are very important: module, past paper. Read module from corner to corner. If you are not written, okay, and you highlighted something, so please highlight. If you already highlighted, then read it again and again. If you are not highlighted yet, okay, then you highlight now. And you already written some theory in your notebook from a class's notes or your teacher has given, then please highlight from them that what are the important area that at the last moment I read. Guys, I hope these all points are counted for your passing. And when you solve this past paper, please make sure that you check with the solution at last. And you solve this paper at your home like you are giving exam at home. You solve this paper at home like you are giving exam at home. Make an atmosphere at your home like an exam. Okay, tell your family about your dreams, that it is my very strong dream to pass in the June only. Then your family will really help you. Okay, because finally you are doing this degree for your family. Okay, yes guys, yes or no? Sure. Now one more question. Some students are, continuously and repeatedly asking me, sir, FYJC topic when you were in 11th or 12th, whatever maybe the position as per the state, the very basic topic like the journal, ledger, subsidiary book, cash book, petty cash book. Sir, are they topics are very important? Guys, those all topics are your basic topic, with which your accounting base is strong at present. So reading about some theory of the topic, okay, you already, but reading at the last moment about that theory is important. Yes. Accounting concept and conventions are important. Yes. Important. Yes. Sir, to solve some questions on a journal, ledger, subsidiary, or else a very basic topic is at a last moment important. Some question from a past paper are important, but please don't solve so many questions on that basic at the last moment, because on the last moment you will be busy in reading the theory, in solving the question of that important topic. So that basic, if already very strong, no need to solve at last. Just one time check that how to solve it. Just one time, very fast, very fast. Are you sure? Yes, guys. Hello. Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear? Now, any specific doubt you have? Any specific in last 5 to 7 minutes, I will talk and what you should do on a last day. What you should do on the last day. Any specific doubt, then please type and type in a chat box, please. Any specific doubt? Sir, how to present a paper? How to present a paper is a very simple. when you guys listen, when you solve the question at home, like you solve the paper, okay, like past paper you are solving, or you have seen the institute module, how they have solved, how they have solved. So please check one time, that how they have solved. Don't make very silly mistake. Listen guys carefully. Listen first. Don't make silly mistake. If you are preparing final account, that write in the books of that heading should be there, trading account for the year ended, your particulars, rupees, your debit, your credit, your lining, your amount column. These all small things are also matter, because finally your presentation is also key. If you know everything but you're not presented in a good manner, okay, whatever you are writing not legibly, and whatever you are writing very confusion language, okay, then the paper checker will give it wrong. And that is why it is very important, that you present the paper in a good manner. Leave the lines properly, leave the pages wherever required, okay. So please don't make one kind of traffic jam in your paper. Write preciously, write in a clear cut words, okay, and avoid cancellation. If you make so many cancellation, then probably your mark will be cut. Don't waste page also. If you waste the page, then probably sometime institute have a red eyes on those students who are wasting page. Use the page, but don't waste the page. And sometime if you waste the page like the 2 page, 3 page, 5 page, then the angry man will cut your mark 2 to 3 mark or 4 mark, maybe a 5 mark. So please use the page, don't waste the page. Logesh, first of all, keep cool. Okay, first of all, keep cool, guys. Listen carefully. Listen. In exam, now listen carefully. In exam, two type of student never frighten. In exam, two type of student never frighten. Number one, the category of student Sumant, I can't. It is from the system. I'm just taking a lecture. Yeah. So number one, those kind of student who does every topic. So they also do not frighten, because they are well prepared. Logesh, please listen carefully. They are well prepared. They are well prepared. Logesh has asked a question that how to keep a cool at the time of exam. How to be not in a frustrated zone. Okay. So I'm answering that, guys, two kind of student that do not frighten. Number one, the student who has worked hard and not left any topic, and they have done everything required for passing. Number two, student who have not done anything. Okay. Sometimes, the student are joining CA because their friends have, forced them. Their family have forced them to do. And that is why, now listen guys, that is why they have not a dream to pass in an exam. So they don't read well. Okay, just they are, for a time pass, they are giving the exam. And in an exam, they are just sitting. Okay, don't try. So they are also not frightening, because they know I want to fail. I don't want to pass. Okay. Now those students who are leaving something, let's say some student has leave the topic like the retirement and death. Okay. They've left the topic. They've left the topic like consignment. Example, I just giving an example. Now it is my humble request that don't leave any topic. But if you left some topic, one or two topic you left, but still become very confident. Now, once you left the topic, but you are not time now to recover that topic. Okay. But still, please present yourself as a very confident candidate, because your success is not anywhere else. Your success is only in your mind. Your mind says that I have led this topic, I have not written that topic. This is your mind says, no. So train your mind to think positive in every situation. Even if all around there are negative, train your mind to think positive. I have left one or two topics, like when we were also student. What do you think? We have done all? What do you think? We have written all the pages? No. Even for me also, we have left one or two topics. Understood? In a big exam, we have also left, but we were very confident. We were very confident. Okay, I have left this topic. I am not promoting. I am not promoting here that you left that topic. Guys, I am not promoting. I am telling you that you left and now you don't have a time to repeat the topic. That at that time also train your mind. No, my exam will be very best exam. I will come out with the flying colors. I will pass this exam. I know I'll pass the exam. Thank you, God, I passed the exam. Continuously memorizing the words like this, will be back in your mind that says you passed the exam. So don't worry. Okay, now every time say, I'm not alone. God is with me. I'm not alone. My family is with me. I'm very strong. I'm determined. Okay, I'm dedicated. I'm a disciplined student. And my dream is to only pass this exam at any cost. And always keep your family, always keep your parents in front of you. At what position at present you are, after 5 years, you all have to be in a, in a good house, in a good cars. I want that at any cost. I want to do for my family. I want to do it for my father. I want to do it for my mother. Okay, put your parents in front of you always and see the magic will happen. God is always happy when you are respecting your parents more. Understood, guys? So finally, at the end of the day, you will not have any kind of frustration. You will be a confident guy and you will be a very strong person in an exam. Understood? Those students who read more will get a more mark in exam. No, there is no equation. Those students are very confident and they are very confident during the exam. They pass the exam. Understand? Logesh, I hope I have answered you well. I answered you properly. I hope you guys, mental stability is very much required during the exam. Mental stability is very much required during the exam. Your success is not in a books. Your success is in your mind. Before passing the exam, you must say to yourself, I passed the exam. I will pass. Sorry, I already passed the exam. I know I'm a champion. I know I'm a confident. Guys, confidence is a key to success. You should have that enough confidence inside you. Even if the whole world, don't worry, Logesh. Continue doing this and you will pass the exam. I hope. Yeah. And one more thing, some students are asking one more thing. Sir, how to complete the paper? Yes, guys, you're completing paper in a 3 hours of 100 marks is not at all difficult. If you solve the past paper by exactly during the 3 hours time, then 100% I'm sure that you complete paper in time. Let's say in a first time you're not completed, in a second time also you're not completed. But every time when we have not completed paper in time, you at least come to know what are your mistakes. And guys, one more thing, please write mistake area. Please make one more report. Please make one more report that what are the topics I am master with. Barabar, I'm master with. Let's say final account, consignment. Okay. So please make the report that this topic like final account, you already completed well. Yes, I have completed well. And I have solved 20 questions on this. Okay. Consignment. My consignment is completed. I have solved 25 questions on consignment. Please make report today. Which topic is pending? Which topic is already completed? And don't waste time. You know, you required 6 to 8 hours because last 25 days, 6 to 8 hours is very easy to get in a day. You are at present free. It's a vacation time. 6 to 8 hours, you can easily get it. Please make report that so that you come to know what are your topics which I've already covered and what are the topics which is pending. And topic which is pending, when you will complete. Sir, how to utilize 15-minute reading time? Now, if you say about the exam, don't waste time in an exam by reading the whole question paper. Don't waste time in an exam by reading the whole question paper. The moment you receive the question paper, you start writing, or else you waste only 5 minutes. Don't waste much time by reading the whole question paper. It is not recommended. Understood? It is not at all recommended. Guys, at least 6 to 8 hours reading is very important. But that reading should be with your focused mind. That reading should be with your strong desire. That reading should be with your strong determination and a burning desire to pass. You will pass with your burning desire. You will pass with your burning determination. Understood, guys? Yes. Okay. And last day, what you do on the last day? Guys, listen carefully. What you do on the last day? Let's say now tomorrow is your exam. Tomorrow is your, what is the examination time? What is your examination time, guys? 12 to 3. Guys, what is your examination time? 2 to 5. No, you have to reach at what time? No. What is the time of exam? What is the time of exam? 2 to 5. Yeah. Your examination time is 2 to 5. Beta, how you make working note before the sum? How you make working note? See, some important working note before the sum. If you want to make, then you can do on a last page by writing that it is a rough page. On that page, you write rough page, and on that page, you can make that working note. Raja, yes or no? Yeah. And now exam is your 2 to 5. Guys, let's say tomorrow is your exam. And today morning I am at home, 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. So probably what should I do today? Guys, what should I do today? First of all, now step, listen, last 10 minutes. Guys, please repeat this chapter theory 2 to 3 times. These all important topic, this 6 to 8 topic, whatever topic. And make sure that you read the theory 2 to 3 times. Fatafat. Okay. Very fast. Without wasting a time. Okay. Next. Sir, is this topic also to repeat theory? No. First of all, listen me carefully. For this 6 topic, you have written the theory. Now start solving question. Sir, on the last day also, we have to solve the question. Yes, this is a success. This is a success story that tomorrow is your exam, that what you are going to do today. Today you solve three question on each and every topic. BRS, you solve 3 topic of different types. Rectification, 3 topic of every stage. Final account, you solve 3 question. NPO, you solve 3 question. 2 question simple and 1 question reverse. Barabar, issue share, you solve 3 question. Consignment, you solve 3 question. On every topic, on a last day, you can solve 3 question. Sir, we got enough time. Matlab, we can solve a 3 question. Is it enough time we got on a day to solve all the 3 question in all topic? Yes, it is enough time. The topic which are very easy, the topic which are very easy, don't solve. The topic which are competitive, the topic which are extremely crucial, extremely important, please solve 3 questions. Guys, it is a miracle. The day before exam, when you solve 3 questions. Now, someone says, okay, sir, my speed is very slow. Okay, actually, see, truly speaking, your speed before a day before exam should not be as slow. If you practice well, then it will be as per, the norms. Okay. No. So solve 2 question. If you are not in a position to solve 3 question, first you solve 2 question. After solving 2 question, if you have a time, additional time at home, say at night, you have a time, and tomorrow afternoon there is an exam, and today at night 11 you have completed 2 question. Start solving 1 more question. Okay, start solving 1. So 3 question you solve in every important topic. I am not saying that in all the topic, but I say that in all the important topic you solve 3. Formula you write on a page. Journal entry you write on a page. Written things are very important. When you write your luck. When you write, you are going very near to your passing. So this is a miracle on a last day, that you read the theory, solve 3 question, read theory again, read journal entry, read formula, and just half an hour before leaving your house, take blessing from your parents, take blessing for your teacher and a God. Okay, you be confident that I work hard. I'm very emotional for my dream. Okay, I have the blessings of my parents. I have the blessing of God. Okay, and my prayer is not only for me. My prayer is for all the students. I pray for all my friends, that all my friends pass foundation in June 2022. When your heart is very clear, when you are very humble for all, when you are a very, very good student, and when you are a very good person, okay, then God will really help you to pass this exam. Guys, success is not only in the books, it is out of the books more. Understood? When in a whole year you respected everyone well, then those everyone will give a blessing to you, and that blessing will help you to pass the exam. Only by reading the question paper, only by reading the books, if the people could reach the good target. No, I'm not believing in that. The blessing from all is very important. Prayer for all is very important. It will make your heart very clear. It will not put you in a frustration zone. Understand? I hope that within this much of time, we have a limited time, and in all this limited time, I have covered up many points. Okay, guys, it is my humble request. Please follow this point very religiously. Okay, with a great trust. Don't doubt anyone. Don't doubt your parents. Don't doubt your teachers. Don't doubt institute. Don't doubt even me. Don't doubt Sheikh sir. Don't doubt anyone. Put trust. God says you put trust on everyone, and finally you will get a success. It is our commitment to you. Follow this all the simple principle, and finally you get a success. Okay. And when you pass in foundation, that confidence will help you to clear even CA Inter in a very first attempt. Understand, guys? Okay. So with this, we are ending here. Is there any more question, guys? Sure. Yes. We are very lucky to get the very good student like you. Okay. And I'm sure. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Once again, we pray for all of you to get a grand success in the CA Foundation June 2022. Our prayers are always with you. But guys, first of all, trust all, because when you doubt, things are not moving properly. Please trust all. And I'm sure you all students are a great student. You all students are a wonderful student. Okay. Can you put your video on to say a bye-bye? Can you put your video on, guys? One time, can you put your video on? Chalo, bye-bye to all. Okay. We'll meet when, I don't know, but we'll really pray for you. You all are very good student. But guys, one thing, two things are very important. Number one, your dream is very important. Just check well that your neighbors, your relatives, your friend, don't allow anyone to steal your dream. Okay. Who become chartered accountant? The student who never leave and never give up will become chartered accountant. Intelligence won't work. Intelligence will not work. Your discipline, your dedication, and your clear heart will work it, and you will pass the exam. Okay, guys, goodbye to all of you. Goodbye. And all the best for your great exam. All the best to all the great students. Goodbye. I hope I answer your question well. I hope. Yes or no? Sure? Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.